Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can edit your TikTok studio background. To do so, first of all, just log into your TikTok account, and after logging into your TikTok account you can see that you are on the For You page of TikTok. After going on to the For You page, you will see a upload option on the top right side of the screen. If you simply click on upload, it will take you to the TikTok studios. And from here you just need to select the video that you want to upload. Here you can see I have already selected a video and it has been uploaded on the TikTok. After it has been uploaded, if you scroll down you can see a edit video option just below the video. If you click on edit video, another pop-up will appear right here, where you can see the option for templates on the right side of your screen below music or sounds. If you simply click on templates, you are able to select all of these options that you want to put on the background of your TikTok video. Just select any of the templates and click on save edit, and the templates will be edited onto your video. And that's how you can edit your TikTok studio background from your laptop or your PC. This was this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.